A massive global outage struck Microsoft Azure and Microsoft 365 on Wednesday, October 29, 2025, crippling cloud-based services, shutting down communication tools, and leaving millions of users around the world in frustration. Before we dive deep into what happened and why, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this story to stay updated on breaking tech developments and major global outages that could affect your daily life or business operations. Your support helps us keep delivering fast, reliable news updates as they happen. The outage began early in the day and quickly spread across multiple continents, affecting critical systems that depend on Microsoft's global cloud infrastructure. Azure, Microsoft's flagship cloud service, went down alongside its productivity suite Microsoft 365, which includes Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint. Within minutes, online tracking sites such as Down Detector recorded a massive spike in complaints, over 18,000 outage reports for Azure and nearly 12,000 for Microsoft 365. Businesses across industries, from airlines and telecoms to healthcare and retail, were thrown into confusion as servers failed, emails bounced, and virtual machines went offline. Microsoft confirmed that the disruption originated from a configuration change within its Azure infrastructure, specifically tied to Azure Front Door and DNS routing systems. This change, intended to improve performance, instead caused a widespread failure that disrupted connections globally. Engineers rushed to roll back the configuration and reroute traffic through unaffected data centers. The company later reported that mitigation steps were underway and that service restoration were progressing steadily across affected regions. For several hours, however, the world's digital heartbeat slowed dramatically. Companies relying on Azure's backbone infrastructure, including streaming services, banking systems, and even gaming platforms, reported failures. Users of Outlook couldn't access their emails, Microsoft Teams meetings failed to connect, and OneDrive file syncing stalled. Xbox Live users also experienced interruptions, revealing just how deeply Azure's network is woven into everyday life. This is far from Microsoft's first brush with a massive outage. Over the past few years, similar disruptions have shaken user confidence in the reliability of cloud computing. In 2024, a major Azure configuration error caused Microsoft 365 services to collapse for hours. Earlier, in 2023, a distributed denial of service (DDoS) attack overwhelmed Azure's defenses, resulting in extended downtime across several regions. Even in early October 2025, Europe and Africa faced localized Azure issues tied to routing errors. Despite Microsoft's ongoing efforts to strengthen system resilience, the frequency of such outages underscores a critical truth. No cloud, no matter how advanced, is immune to failure. Experts note that the majority of cloud disruptions come from internal human or software configuration errors, not external cyber attacks. With cloud systems managing trillions of data requests per second, even a small misstep in code deployment or routing can create global chaos. Microsoft has since promised to enhance change validation and rollback protocols to ensure similar incidents are caught before they spread. Still, analysts warn that the complexity of modern cloud systems makes total prevention nearly impossible. For businesses and individuals worldwide, this outage serves as a stark wake-up call. Companies dependent on Azure-hosted tools, from startups to multinationals, were reminded of the importance of redundancy and preparedness. Cloud experts recommend adopting multi-cloud or hybrid cloud solutions, maintaining offline backups, and creating robust disaster recovery plans to survive such outages with minimal disruption. In Nigeria and other parts of Africa, several companies relying on Azure-based platforms also reported downtime in online payment systems and internal communication networks. Some businesses resorted to manual operations as engineers waited for updates from Microsoft's status dashboard. As of late Wednesday evening, the company announced that most core services were stabilizing, though users were advised to clear caches and restart clients to fully restore functionality. Today's outage once again exposes the fragility of global digital infrastructure. In a world powered by cloud computing, where one company's configuration change can silence thousands of other services, the need for vigilance, transparency, and redundancy has never been clearer. While Microsoft's quick response helped minimize extended downtime, the ripple effect, spanning businesses, governments, and individuals, will linger long after systems return to normal. As Microsoft prepares to publish a full incident report detailing the root cause and future preventive measures, experts are urging the tech giant to reevaluate its internal testing and global change management systems. Meanwhile, for the millions affected today, the experience serves as both a frustration and a warning about the delicate balance between convenience and dependency in our digital world. If you found this report helpful, make sure to subscribe to our updates, like this story, and share it with others so they stay informed too. Cloud outages like this one remind us how interconnected our world has become and how important it is to stay alert, aware, and connected to trusted news sources that keep you one step ahead.